The Robinhood Gold card just lost one of its headline features, and Robinhood didn't announce it. As of July 1st, 2026, new cardholders pay a 3% foreign transaction fee on every purchase made in a foreign currency on a card that launched promising no foreign transaction fees at all. So, whether you already hold this card or you've been thinking about applying, this is going to change the math for you. So let's talk about it. I'm so happy to have you here with me today. Let's get started. So let's start with the facts, because Robinhood didn't put out a press release for this one. The updated card terms now say that you may be charged a 3% foreign transaction fee when you transact in a foreign currency, with the exchange rate based on Visa's exchange rate calculator. And Robinhood support confirmed the policy directly. The fee applies to customers onboarded on or after July 1st, and current credit card customers are, in Robinhood's exact words, not impacted by the change for now. Now here's the part that deserves a call out. The card's marketing page used to list no foreign transaction fees as a benefit, but that line is gone now. It now highlights no authorized user fees instead. So no announcement, no email, just a quiet swap of the language. Now credit card watchers caught it within a day of the change taking effect. And when an issuer removes a benefit this quietly, that tells you something about how they expect it to land. Everything else about the card is going to remain unchanged. It still earns 3% cash back on every purchase, and it still requires a Robinhood Gold subscription, which runs $50 a year. But what has changed is who gets the no-fee treatment abroad. And if you're a new applicant, that's no longer going to be you. If you're approved on or after July 1st, here's what this fee actually does to the card's value overseas. The card earns 3% cash back. The fee takes 3% on every foreign currency purchase, so those effectively cancel out. So put $2,000 of vacation spending on this card abroad, and you earn $60 back while paying $60 in fees. A net of zero. You're effectively carrying a no rewards card the moment you leave the country. Now compare that to the no foreign transaction fee competition. You have the Capital One Saver, which earns 3% back on dining, groceries, entertainment, and streaming with no annual fee. So that same 3% the Robinhood card advertises on the categories a trip abroad actually hits. And it keeps every point of it. And then you also have the Capital One Ventures flat 2x miles on every purchase, which beats the 3% cash back that nets out to zero the moment you cross the border. And for anyone who travels internationally, a card that goes to zero abroad is a meaningful step behind both of these. So the verdict here is going to depend on your specific spending. If your spending is almost entirely domestic, nothing about this change touches you. 3% cash back on everything is still one of the strongest flat rates available, and the math that made this card attractive is unchanged. But if you travel abroad regularly, this card just moved from your travel wallet to your home wallet, and you want a card with no foreign transaction fee handling your foreign spend. I hold this card myself, so I'm in the group that this next part is going to apply to. If you were approved before July the 1st, you're grandfathered in. Your foreign purchases still carry no fee. But pay close attention to Robinhood's own phrasing. Existing customers aren't impacted for now. Now, that's not the language a company uses when a benefit is permanent. It's the language a company uses when it's keeping its options open. So the practical takeaway is simple. Card issuers have to notify you before changing the terms on an existing account. So watch your statement and your account emails. If Robinhood intends to extend this fee to existing cardholders, you'll see it there first. And you'll have time to adjust which card handles your international spending before it costs you anything. And that's going to do it for today's video. The Robinhood Gold card's 3% foreign transaction fee wipes out its rewards abroad for anyone approved on or after July 1st, 2026, while existing cardholders keep the no-fee benefit for now. So if you're weighing this card, that's the fine print to weigh it against. Now, if you found this video helpful, please do give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on the next one. And if you know someone who has this card or who might be eyeing that 3% cash back before a trip abroad, share this video with them. This is exactly the kind of change that's easy to miss until it shows up on your statement. And I'd also love to hear from you. Are you a grandfather cardholder, or does this fee change whether you apply at all? Let me know down in the comments. I want to thank you so much for watching, and as always, I encourage you to dream big, to live well, and to do great things. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.